Okay, so my assistant, my beautiful assistant, has helped me loosen up the throttle. It didn't take much. So just hit the throttle and then the starter button. I want to show the mechanism. So that's the foot starter button, and a couple days ago I've oiled things up, and I've been keeping things sort of oily. I oiled up the timing advance here. I put some emery cloth on the ignition points. I took apart the fuel pump and freed up the diaphragm and the spring valves there. Here is the fuel pump, or fuel tank, I mean. And so the carburetor went on just about a few minutes ago, and the throttle is now moving. So I hit the throttle, hon. Some wood breaking under the seat. Doesn't surprise me. Okay, hear that? I can hear fuel squirting in. So the plunger is working. The brakes, hit them.
This one?
Yeah, go back and forth. Mechanical brakes, and they work. Cool. In 1952, I believe that was the last time she was run. All right. Do we try the starter button, or do we use a hand crank? Starter button, eh? It'll be quicker. I'm assuming the starter works. So underneath here, you could tell somebody put new plywood in here.
Yeah.
Actually, maybe you could help me here.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
Just hold that there. I wonder if they put the battery in from the bottom. No, the battery comes in from the top. That sheet of plywood, which looks like a 1952 article. There it is. So we lift it up like that. Okay. Just like so. There.
Got it.
Actually, could you hold that there? I want to take a shot. There's the battery box. 6-volt system, of course. And what's interesting is this drive shaft is enclosed. Anyway, I'll have you just hold out there, and I'm gonna I'm gonna get the leaf blower and I'm gonna do a quick blow of the needles and pine needles and stuff, and then I'm gonna oil up that parking brake linkage. Anyway, what I want to show is this tube, which is the drive shaft, enclosed drive shaft tube, and there's a grease zerk right there. Another cool thing is this, but I'll play with that later. Okay. So 6 volt. I don't know what the charge is on this one, but we're gonna try it. That was the positive terminal. Take a quick shot of that. That is what you call a tight fit. Jump back in. Now, just touch that button.
This one?
Yeah, just touch it. I don't expect anything. Bit more. Okay. Now, just touch that floor button.
Is this supposed to be, the choke supposed to be in or out?
Don't worry about the choke for now. That's neutral. Just push the clutch in too while you're at it. So hold the clutch in and then just touch the smallest button. Just touch the smallest button. Push it harder. Stop. Okay. You hear that? That was the starter running, but not engaging. Which isn't that extraordinarily weird because it's so dry. Just touch it again, but not for as long.
With the clutch in?
Yeah. Don't let it rev up so high. To just touch it and then it. Okay, and then do it again. All right. So the drive, I think it's called a Bendix, is sticky. So keep the clutch in. So what that means, the starter has to come off and I have to loosen it up. So plan B would be the hand crank method, which I don't mind. Okay. Back to the right project. Truck's been here since Saturday. Today is Tuesday. And it's been quite a few people taking note of it. It's probably the oldest truck I've had on the property. The house is a 1905. So it's kind of like it's going back in time at this place. One of the vehicles can you pull out a starter and throw it back in, all in a span of 20 minutes. One of the things I like to use is this anti-seize. So that's a wrap. So what I'll have you do, hun,
Yeah.
what I'll have you do is just start off now by pumping the gas. Oh, that's a brake. Take the choke off the shovel. Take the choke off. Pump the gas. Good. That's good enough. Great. Got gas. Got spark when we want it. Go ahead, crank it.
You want me to do it now? Probably gonna stop. Oh. Keep going?
Just pump it a bit more.
The gas?
Yeah.
With the clutch in?
Yeah. Okay, go again.
The chokes.
I put the choke
Okay.
on. Yeah.
Crank it again?
Yep.
Okay. You ready?
Leave the put the choke on. Start it up. This is all you. Choke off now.
Now?
Take the choke off now. Crank it. Give it some gas.
At the same time?
Yeah, you can let the clutch out now. It's a bit harder to flip all the pedals. Yeah, so let the clutch out. That. Oh, this sounds good. So we'll pull some choke on. So it's cold, right?
That's so exciting.
Yeah, me too. Right? So pull some choke. She does sound pretty good.
Okay.
Pull some choke and then just feather the gas.
Oh, don't push the clutch in? Okay.
It's fine now. Pull the choke, push the choke in. Hold the choke just a little bit. Hold the choke out just a little bit. Friction it, right? The choke frictions the mixture. You started it. Can't believe it ain't go by. This is not excessive. Can't believe it. Before the fan belt broke, it was actually charging. And I think it just ran out of gas. But that's not bad. That was nice, eh, babe? So, I think we had our fun.